Rowdy, bro. All right, boys, we got dual Notoriouses here. This is a V6, but he reverted back to the older style clip body because everybody knows how terrible the clipless body are. But man, this body is beautiful, Cameron. Can't wait to see you destroy it. And then here's my old beater that I traded my Mini Max for. All we did here is go up 2 teeth on the pinion, and we're gonna see how it does. Let's go get into this today. First time I have played with it since getting the gearing changed. Yeah, nice little double. Nope, still doesn't want to flip. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the ESC or like just way loose. Nice body land there, bud.
Yeah, you like that? I figured I'd go and get it out of the way.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. I thought going up 2 teeth on the pinion would make her flip.
Talk about my body here.
Oh, I don't care about this one.
Oh.
Woo! Some good old flip there. Then it flipped.
Well, there it was.
It does have the old system, and I had the punch turn all the way up.
I wonder if you come up to that ramp slow and then right when you get to the top.
Ooh, front lander.
Even that when I had speed, mine didn't flip.
Yeah.
There you go.
You hear mine? It sounds like I have a turbo. You hear that? You hear that? What is it? I think it's like the brake or something. Yeah, buddy, that was a good one. Ow! I landed right on the arm. They're so rowdy. Oh, that one just stuck like a lawn dart, dude. You know it's a good time we're giggling already. Rowdy, bro.
The one group I can say I've safely beat the ever loving snot out of it, and it's never given me a problem. What's up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
Uh-oh.
Bro, we got an uh-oh already?
Uh-oh.
Arrma?
Arrma.
What happened with the Arrma? Battery come out? No.
She no scary.
Oh, no, not another Arrma servo problem, bud. Bro, last week when you were out with me, you did this too.
Oh yeah, she's locked up.
Servo done for?
Yeah. Yeah, the old servo. Oh yeah, she locked.
Yikes. All she wrote for today.
Oh yeah, that thing is cooked.
Oh my God.
You know what they say?
Arrma talk?
That's all, folks.
Well, that was a fun time with Cameron's Notorious. You might see a little bit more of my Notorious in a minute. All right, guys, we got the Maxx Slash out here on paddle tires. Just got a new M2C battery tray in here. Let's go see how this thing does. Okay, yeah, we're doing wheelies in the sand. Come here, buddy. Just make it to me. Why must you do this? Seems like he's doing pretty well on the paddles. God. Oh yeah, she's ripping it up out here. And that's just 6S. Oh, I love my Maxx Slash. Jordan's trying out my Maxx Slash now on paddles.
That's just nuts, man.
Last time I had it on paddles, it had the stock system in it and stock axles, and I kept just breaking axles over and over and over again. That shoots a nice roost.
That's awesome, man.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and send the Maxx Slash off of the ramp here. Let's see if what we break. Woohoo! She did all right. It's getting a good height.
Nice.
Ah, we got it though. We got it. I think we lost the diff finally. Yep, rear diff. Rear diff is out. I might as well stop before I burn the bulkhead. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy some Arrma Notorious content with a random guy coming to check it out. I love his comments. There we go. That's what we wanted. Well, you're trying to land them, but you know, you land them about 25% of the time.
Look at it go.
This one is good. Oh yeah.
He wants rubber on the motor.
Barely. Low one. Barely.
He's over there.
I wouldn't say that.
That is unbelievable. Got it back.
That's what you call self-riding right there. No. All right, Jordan, you want to try it? You can try it. And if you break it, I don't care. Yeah, there's 5 versions now, and this is like the V2, I think. All right, here Jordan goes on a Notorious.
Oh, hey, Love's landing on his feet. Oh, of course.
Dude, just work the throttle. Something's going out finally.
I'm gonna get him in.
And I don't half break anything. I have to fully break it for me to know what's wrong with it. That's how I do stuff. You just go on Jenny's RC and buy a brand new piece. There you go.
Oh. Here we go. Back to cover.
Sounds terrible. You just lose power? Yeah. All right. Well, boys, the old Notorious here finally blew a diff, so we'll get a new diff installed in her, but it was still pretty fun. I hope y'all enjoyed that little segment. And as far as my Maxx Slasher, the world's strongest Maxx Slash, every single time I put paddle tires on it, this thing just decides to blow a diff. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do about this, but yeah, rear diff is blown out. Probably gonna have to get some new bulkheads. We're gonna try some stuff out, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video.